Good afternoon, everyone. I'm student Jiren. I'm interested in science tracks roles, especially data science position. In the future, I want to be a data scientist. I understand that data science and position that combines mathematics and computer programming together. So, I have associate degrees in mathematics, and I'm also doing a bachelor degree in computer science at CCNY. That's the main reasons I want to apply for the life science program, because life science program to help students and provides resources, mentoring to students who want to success in the life science field. In the past 2 years, I finished 2 projects in data science. My first project is about using regression model to analyze stock price. And at that time, me and my partners present our research at the MAA Joint Mathematics meeting. And this is the news post on the BMCC website at that time. My second project is about how to use PDE model to analyze how tea leaves can be used to remove heavy metals from the produced waters with working teams of 3. And this is the research title. Also, this year, we published a paper in the Toilets and France Math Journal. And this is the link to the paper. So in this project, we use a lot of techniques like R language, SPSS, Pythons, and this technique is widely used in data science field. So I believe I have enough skills and passion to success in data science field. So I hope I can be accepted by the life science program. Thank you.